Hi, second graders. Happy Thursday, April 17th, 2020. Today, I would like you to start with a RazKids. Log into your RazKids account and complete a comprehension quiz. Mrs. Meddard is able to see how your reading and your comprehension is going by you completing this task. Then I want you to take out your Journeys book and open to page 336 and follow along with me as I read the story. Click on the link so you can hear Mrs. Meddard read it. This is a story that the characters learn a lesson. There's a moral of the story. A moral of the story is the lesson that is learned. So as you read it, I want you to be thinking about what is that lesson. Then I want you to listen to the prefix and suffix song and the prefix and suffix lesson, and then complete your IXLs. Remember, they're third grade again. This is review. We have talked a lot about prefixes, suffixes, and root words or base words. Remember, root words and base words are the same thing. So I am challenging you to work on these two third grade IXLs. I know you can do it. And then read to self for 30 minutes at some time today. If you are feeling you need more jobs to do, then here are some optional tasks for today. You can record a book on Seesaw for Mrs. Meddard. You can read or you can watch Brain Pop, watch run-on sentences, and then you can work on your writing, making sure you're not using any run-on sentences as you're writing. Or you can partner read to someone or a stuffed animal or a pet in your house if you would like. All right, have a great day. Get outside and play some today. It's supposed to be beautiful.